Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Are you an action adventure film movie lover? Then The Mummy is a must-watch movie. If you are watching this video for the first time, then subscribe to the channel, enable the bell icon next to it, and share the video with everyone. If you have seen this movie, then write your opinion about the movie in the comment box. If you have not seen this movie, the link of the movie is given in the description box. Definitely watch it. Now let's go to the movie. The Mummy is a 1999 American action-adventure film written and directed by Stephen Sommers, starring Brendan Fraser, Rachel Weisz, John Hannah, and Arnold Vosloo in the title role as the reanimated mummy. It is a remake of the 1932 film of the same name and part of the larger Universal Monsters franchise. The film follows adventurer and treasure hunter Rick O'Connell as he travels to Hamunapatra, the city of the dead, with librarian Evelyn Kanahan and her older brother Jonathan, where they accidentally awaken Imhotep, a cursed high priest with supernatural powers. Development took years, with multiple screenplays and directors attached. In 1997, Sommers successfully pitched his version of a more adventurous and romantic take on the source material. Filming took place in Morocco and the United Kingdom. The crew endured dehydration, sandstorms, and snakes shooting on location in the Sahara Desert. Industrial Light Magic provided many of the visual effects, blending live-action footage and computer-generated imagery to create the titular monster. Jerry Goldsmith composed the orchestral score. The Mummy was theatrically released on 7th May 1999 by Universal Pictures. The film received mixed critical reviews and positive audience reaction and grossed $418.1 million worldwide against a production budget of $80 million, becoming the sixth highest grossing film of 1999. The film started a new franchise with two direct sequels, The Mummy Returns, 2001, and The Mummy, Tomb of the Dragon Emperor, 2008. And various spin-offs such as an animated series and the prequel The Scorpion King, 2002, which led to sequels of its own. In 2017, an attempt was made to start another Universal Monsters franchise with The Mummy starring Tom Cruise. In Thebes, Egypt, 1290 BC, the high priest Imhotep has an affair with Pharaoh Seti I's mistress Anck-Su-namun. The pair kill the pharaoh after he discovers the affair. When the pharaoh's bodyguards, the Medjai, arrive, Anck-Su-namun commits suicide while Imhotep flees. Imhotep and his priests steal her corpse and travel to Hamunapatra, the city of the dead, to conduct the ritual to resurrect her, but are halted by the Medjai. As punishment, Imhotep's priests are mummified alive, while Imhotep himself is cursed to be buried alive with flesh-eating scarabs. The Medjai are sworn to prevent Imhotep's return, as his resurrection would unleash evil. In 1926 AD Caro, Jonathan Kanahan presents his sister, Evelyn, a librarian and aspiring Egyptologist working for museum curator Dr. Terence Bay, with an intricate box and map that lead to Hamunapatra, the existence of which is now considered a myth along with the treasures believed to reside there. Jonathan reveals he stole the box from American adventurer and treasure hunter Rick O'Connell, who discovered the city while in the French Foreign Legion. Evelyn bargains with corrupt prison warden Gad Hassan to free an incarcerated Rick, in exchange for the American leading them to Hamunapatra where she hopes to find the Golden Book of Amun-Ra. The group soon finds themselves competing with another expedition, guided by Rick's fellow former legionnaire Benny Gabber, with both being attacked by an unknown group as they journey along the Nile as well as upon reaching Hamunapatra and exploring the ruins. The attackers are revealed to be the Medjai with their leader, Ardith Bey, warning them to leave before they delve too deeply. Ignoring base warnings, the two expeditions continue to dig through the ruins, resulting in numerous fatalities that include Hassan being killed by a scarab he inadvertently releases. Both expeditions come into conflict over a statue which is believed to hold the Golden Book. Within the statue, however, the competing expeditions come across the Book of the Dead as well as 5 canopic jars, while Evelyn, Rick, and Jonathan accidentally discover Imhotep's mummified remains. That night, Evelyn steals the Book of the Dead from the rival camp, accidentally awakening the mummified Imhotep when she reads scripture contained within aloud. Following a confrontation with the now resurrected Imhotep as well as the Medjai, the expeditions flee back to Cairo. However, they soon find they are still being followed by Imhotep, now aided by Beni, who unleashes the biblical plagues of Egypt. Within the city, those who discovered the canopic jars are hunted down by Imhotep, restoring his human form while strengthening his supernatural powers. Hoping to find answers at the museum, the survivors instead find Adit being hosted by fellow Medjai Dr. Bey. The group comes to the conclusion that Imhotep's aim is still to resurrect Anxunumun, using Evelyn as a human sacrifice to enable this, and that the only way to stop him is to return to Hamunapatra before Imhotep and find the Book of Amun-Ra. The group are soon cornered by Imhotep and a now enslaved city populace, which results in Evelyn's capture while Dr. Bey sacrifices himself to allow the others to escape. The remaining three try to reach Hamunapatra via a plane piloted by RAF Captain Winston Havelock but crash due to a sandstorm conjured by Imhotep, resulting in Havelock's death and allowing Imhotep to arrive first and begin the ritual. After reaching the city on foot, the trio finds the Book of Amun-Ra, while Adit is overwhelmed fighting Imhotep's resurrected servants. Jonathan and Rick reach the ritual chamber, where Rick frees Evelyn, and Jonathan uses the book to control the resurrected servants, leading to the death of a partially resurrected Anxunumun. Evelyn then uses the book to make Imhotep mortal, allowing Rick to fatally wound him as Imhotep steps into a pool of souls that consume him. Moments later, the city collapses after Beni triggers a booby trap, and he is devoured by scarabs after being trapped in a treasure chamber. The trio escapes Hamunapatra and finds a surviving Adit outside, who bids them farewell as they depart with Beni's plundered loot. If you are watching this video for the first time, then subscribe to the channel, enable the bell icon next to it. See you in the next video. Until then, thank you and greetings.